HTML tags. Hi. In the previous video we have learned what is HTML. And in this video we are going to learn the basic tag of HTML. First, the basic tag of HTML. The depth must be present. It informs the browser that this is an HTML document. An HTML start tag and an HTML end tag define the start and end of an HTML document. The language is English. A needed characters tag defines the character set, UTF-8. The HTML standard requires a proper page title. A needed viewport tab makes the page look good on all screen sizes, laptop, mobile. The link tag links to a style sheet. Start tag and end tag surround future CSS styling. The script tag links to a script. Start tag and end tag surround the visible body of the HTML document. Image tags define HTML images. Make it a heavy to pack HTML sections and developments. Prepare yourself for giving each section a class name. Heading tags define HTML headings. Paragraph tags define HTML paragraphs. And this in a table about basic tag of HTML. So don't forget to put like and subscribe. Bye.